baby horn. Move, man. $1 million question. This or the F-Type? I've got an M2. Basically, and I know, in my last videos I said I was keeping my Jag, and I've paid it off, that is mine. But I keep looking at these after my experience in Austria, driving that M40D, and I'm in an R in whether or not basically to replace the Golf with this. But obviously if I did do that, I'd probably replace the Jag as well. So basically, if you're a bit like me and you've considered these, all my friends have had M2s pretty much ever since I've had my F-Type. So I just wanted to take this out, see what it's like, and give it a proper review. So if you are interested in these kind of cars, you'll be in the right place for this video. Okay, let's go for a drive in the M2. It's currently in, I don't know what setting, normal drive, but everyone says you have to press M1, and that does make a difference to the exhaust. A big difference is that coming through the speakers.
Yeah.
No, it's coming out the exhaust. I've got Lizzie with me here, because proper test drive.
Oh yeah, much better.
Weird. I had it in sports mode earlier when we did the exhaust. Yeah, I had the sports on. Anyway, whatever. I was worried it was going to kick out. Right.
Ready?
I don't know how to make it as noisy as possible, but we'll see. We've got an underpass coming through. Now in the F-Type, this works really well. So, put the windows down a little bit. Let's go into second, and I'll just floor it through it. Ready? I'd say that didn't sound too bad. I thought that was okay.
That passes.
I would say that passes, yeah. And also if we bought this one, it comes with, it's 2 years warranty as well. And I've just renewed the warranty on the Jag. And the Jag is £1,600 a year for the warranty. So it'll be £3,200 extra for the next 2 years to keep the Jag compared to having one of these. Initial impressions compared to the F-Type, it's a lot more power. I want to say it gets its power down quite well though. I don't feel like it's struggling. It's comfier to drive. The biggest thing I suppose is the curb appeal with this compared to the F-Type. You're gonna get, every time you pull up at a fuel station with the F-Type, people talk to you. People are always interested in the car. And if I'm at the dealer, if I'm at a petrol station, I'm quite happy to chat to people when we're all filling up. And a lot of the time the comments are all about the car. If you had this, you lose that curb appeal. This is like, you know, I guess it has curb appeal for those that know it, but not for all. The Jag qualifies for a lot of driving groups. The M2 doesn't. I'll be honest, I'm not a member of any driving groups anyway, so it doesn't really bother me, but just as a thought. I'm not going to make any quick decisions though, so don't worry, the F-Type is staying at least for a week. No, it'll definitely be here for a few more videos if I do decide to make this move. Oh, M2 friend. He didn't flash. I always think that Jag drivers flash. Disappointed that he hasn't. I didn't know, so maybe that was my fault. That's just in normal. So if I put it back into M1, now into M1 and do the same again. It is quick. $1 million question. This or the F-Type? Where would you go?
If you had never had either, I think it'd be a difficult decision. Like a really, really difficult decision.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you've already got one. Try something new.
Yeah.
You know I'm an enabler. So.
Yes, Lizzie is the reason I spend money, if you're unsure. My watch was an impulse purchase because of Lizzie. Her question to me was, what's the point in saving? You might as well buy a watch. Oh, it's green.
It's sketchy.
It is a bit sketchy, isn't it? Why brake? We're in a BMW. Brake! The brakes are good. We're okay.
Maybe that's a reason not to have one.
Would it make me drive like a BMW driver?
Yes, immediately it would. Immediately would.
Yeah.
Forget what an indicator is and just cut people up. Sorry, BMW drivers. God, no, we won't do that.
Just floor it.
Well, okay.
See what happens. If no one's alongside you.
It's ready for You've Been Framed, this is.
I mean, I hope we get at least more than 250 quid because I think the insurance excess is 1,000.
Oh boy. Oh no.
You got a Porsche next year. Come on, you got this. Go. Go on. See you later, Porsche.
Yeah, you can buy one of these.
Yeah, this will be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'd agree that this is fun. Right.
Gotcha. Are these lines?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Oh, it's green.
so not the first, second one. Yeah. Go, turn. There you go.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah. M2 girly.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
I could be an M2 girly.
Okay.
Can we get it in baby blue?
I don't like it in baby blue.
I like the baby blue.
No, I don't like the baby blue. What colour would you get an M2 in if you're still watching? What colour would you get the M2?
Man green.
Isle of Man Green doesn't come in Isle of Man Green.
Well, PTS it. Just get that done.
I don't know if they call them PTS
That's
colours.
a Porsche thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's called individual colours.
Oh, boring.
Yeah, which is basically the same.
Yeah, okay. Well, then I'd have green.
You can't have it in green.
Purple.
Yeah, you can get them in purple. The new...
Purple is lush.
Yeah, I would agree. The new purple is lush. But you would have to get an LCI one, which then increases the cost. And then we're like at 70 grand.
The wheel's not that chunky. That's okay.
Is that an okay girth?
No comment. The paddles feel nice.
Paddles do feel nice.
I feel like I could do a little ASMR with my nails.
Yep, ASMR. Anyone interested? Put it in the comments.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Anyone enjoying the cooperative YouTube making with me and Lizzie? If you are interested in enjoying this,
It's fine.
like and subscribe for more.
Scared to do a corner.
Yeah. Neither of us really have the confidence to do a corner at speed, mainly concerned due to we're worried we're going to spin around in circles.
I'm scared I'm going to stick it in a tree.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go do that driving course. We said we were going to do that, right?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Skid lesson.
Anyone know how to book a skid driving lesson? Whatever. Obviously, I was practicing in Austria. Hopefully, you saw that video or the reel of me going around in circles. I feel like in Austria it was acceptable. Even there were so many people giving me
People were nodding, like they were keen for it.
People were celebrating my circles. But in the UK, I'm not sure you get the same sort of thing. My dad is one of those people that would be very disappointed in seeing that. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, it's nice. I'm enjoying this.
Yeah. Me too. It's nice.
Okay, so we might have found the new. Oh, flipping hell. Keep your eyes on the road. Don't get too excited. We haven't bought it yet. Okay, so next thing, if we are thinking of buying, colour-wise, we just touched on it. There is a matte blue, which I quite like. I think I want a colour. So we're looking at blue, light blue, red, the new, like, yellowy green colour, Sao Paulo yellow, I think it's called.
Ooh.
It's very out there, though. It's the same as Shmi's car.
Yeah, I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
Lizzie's a fan. Okay, fine.
You like yellow. You've wanted a yellow car. Your Jag has never gone yellow.
Yeah, true. True. Okay.
Enabling.
Yeah, again, this adds on like an extra $3,000, but you know.
Oh, pheasant.
Yeah. Oh, baby horn.
Ooh.
Move, man.
Silly bird.
Welcome to the Cotswolds. They're building a Cotswold wall over there, which actually looks really nice.
Thingy did it. From Clarkson's farm.
What's his name?
Yeah,
Gerald.
Gerald.
You.
I love Gerald.
We've never seen Gerald, but we would be huge fans if we did.
We would.
Maybe we should go to Clarkson's pub.
Lord.
Watch out.
It feels scary.
Right, I think we're going to end it there. I'm going to jump back into the driver's seat and close off this video because I think we've gone on for far too long and people have got bored. Now that we've both driven it, I don't know what my thoughts are in all honesty. I've very much enjoyed the drive, but making a decision right now feels quite difficult. So, if you've made it this far in the video, firstly, comment 789. We like doing that, that's a thing. But also, let me know what you do. Is it an F-Type? Is it an M2? It does kind of kick out, but I haven't got enough skill. So, let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There will be more videos coming. There will still be F-Type content coming, at least before I've made my decision. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.